Alrighty guys, look at this. We got another bank of Mitsubishi elevators to foam over. Ooh, this is in New Colony, Texas. Oh, elevator A, yes. Oh, look at this. Oh. Let's go to 6. Oh, yes.
Level 6. Going down.
Oh, that's great. Very great elevators. The best of the best. Oh.
Level 1. Going up.
Oh, wow. Oh, I'm foaming. Oh, these are very smooth.
Level 6. Going down.
Oh yeah, this is the best elevator ever. No, they're not going anywhere. Someone took a shoe and pushed the button with their shoe. It's funny. There's a shoe print on this button. Look at that.
Going down.
Let it close.
Door closing. Door closing. Door closing. Door closing. Door closing. Please press the button for the desired floor.
Nice. Oh. I'm gonna be foaming.
Level 1. Going up.
Oh. Watch this. It says a sensor. And a bumper too. Oh. Wow.
Level 6. Going down.
Oh. Look at those buttons.
Level 1. Going up.
Oh.
Need help?
I got it, thank you.
Okay.
Now we're gonna write those over there. Big Mitsubishi.
Door closing. Door closing. Door closing.
Door is closing. Door is closing. That's elevator B. Hey Ryan. Wanna come with me?
What's that?
I'm going over here. Watch me foam over this. I love Mitsubishi. Look at, night mode. Sorry, can't do anything. You're stuck with me now, because you get to stuck with the Mitsubishi foamer. Listen. Going down. What floor? Push the floor. Let's go up to 2.
Should get to our car.
Yeah. Also want to hear those cool chimes in too. Oh. Oh, I want to hear those chimes. Look at this. Oh, where the lantern is? Oh, right there. Okay, it's blinking.
Wow.
Oh, look at that filmic.
Very nice.
Oh, that's great. Look at this. These are nice Mitsubishi elevators. Everyone in Texas should come ride these. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.